This is the brief on API3. Okay, so API3, what's it all about? Well, it's tackling a really big issue in the blockchain world. The Oracle problem. That's basically how blockchain apps get trustworthy real-world data. API3's whole approach is about cutting out the expensive, kind of risky middlemen. First up, their big idea is something called the first-party Oracle model. So instead of relying on these anonymous networks, the actual data providers, the original source, run their own simple serverless nodes. They call them air nodes. What does that mean? It means the data gets signed right at the source. Super transparent, super secure. And get this, AirNode is the first Oracle node actually audited for GDPR compliance. That's a pretty big deal for companies, right? Second, API3 is kind of flipping the script on costs for decentralized apps with its OEV network. That's Oracle Extractable Value. This lets apps auction off the value that comes from Oracle updates, think profitable liquidations, and they actually keep the money. Protocols like Finance, they've already pulled in over $284,000 this way. So yeah, the Oracle goes from being just a cost to maybe making you money. And finally, look, they're up against the big player, Chainlink, no doubt about it. But API3's strategy? It leans hard on being corporate ready, like that GDPR thing, and locking in major partnerships. For instance, they snagged a huge 10-year deal with the Open Bank project. We're talking over 400 bank APIs potentially joining Web3. Right now, API3 is securing over $400 million in assets. This is a great point to quickly pause and remind our listeners of something.
That's right, Sarah. If you're enjoying how we break down these complex projects into simple pieces and want more reviews just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, CryptoBox. We do all the complex research, so you don't have to.
So API3 is really betting on direct, verifiable data, turning that whole Oracle cost into a potential revenue stream for Web3.